Hey everybody, Kyler here at RHRSwag. I'm going to show you the RHR soft roll-up tonneau and rack combo. First we go over to our rack, which has a 500-pound capacity along with multi-finishes, whatever you want to choose. Next we move into one of my favorites, which is this soft tonneau cover. And one nice thing about it is it's nice and secure, keeps away from prying eyes, along with, of course, having a nice finish to it. And as you can see, there is no problems when you move this cover up like this. Perfect. Super secure, no drill install, made in the USA. If you want to learn more, join us at RHRSwag.com.